Photovoltaic solar panels are divided into two main categories called monocrystalline solar panels and polycrystalline solar panels. This video will tell you about the difference between the two types of solar panels and the numbers behind them. It will also help you make an informed decision about which of the two solar panels is the better one. So let's see what the difference between the two is.
What is the difference between monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels? The main difference between the two technologies is in the crystal purity of the panel cells. Monocrystalline solar panels have solar cells made from a single crystal of silicon, while polycrystalline solar panels have solar cells made from several fragments of silicon melted together. The crystalline purity of the cells of monocrystalline solar panels is therefore much higher than that of polycrystalline solar panels. The image below shows you how to distinguish between the two different types of solar panels. Monocrystalline cells are black and octagonal, while polycrystalline cells are dark blue and squared. What is the difference in performance of the two panels? The efficiency of a solar panel is the ratio between the amount of energy it collects compared to the amount of energy it produces, the rest being lost in heat. An efficiency of 20% means that 20% of the solar radiation is transformed into electricity and the missing 80% is transformed into heat. The higher the efficiency, the greater the amount of electricity produced. That said, monocrystalline panels perform better than polycrystalline solar panels due to the fact that monocrystalline solar cells are composed of a single crystal rather than a conglomerate of crystals, which increases the spectral response and thereby their energy production. Concretely, the efficiency of monocrystalline solar panels varies between 16 and 24%, while that of polycrystalline solar panels varies between 14 and 20%. That means that on an equal surface, monocrystalline solar panels are more efficient. These panels are often suggested for those whose space is a limiting factor. What is the difference in aesthetics? Many people prefer the look of monocrystalline solar panels. This is due to the black color, which makes them more discreet and allows them to better match the roof of the house versus the dark blue polycrystalline solar panels. The image below shows the color difference between the two types of solar panels. What is the difference in price of the two solar panels? Monocrystalline solar panels are often more expensive than polycrystalline solar panels since their manufacturing process is more energy consuming and complex. Indeed, the cost per watt of polycrystalline solar panels is generally between 32 and 40 rupees, while that of monocrystalline solar panels is between 40 and 65 rupees. However, the efficiency of monocrystalline solar panels is higher than that of polycrystalline solar panels. Although they are more expensive, they produce more energy. Knowing that the lifespan of a solar panel is 24 to 40 years, the additional cost is very often worth it.